Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Touted as the world's coolest concept car home, the fictitious 2026 Bentley Motorhome is a bold foray into the world of ultra-luxury recreational vehicles, changing the very definition of mobile luxury. Modern automobile engineering, the luxurious comforts of a custom home, and Bentley's century-long tradition of unmatched craftsmanship and exquisite design would all be flawlessly combined in this innovative concept. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome would make a statement from the outside thanks to its imposing appearance while retaining the brand's signature elegance. Its design would probably include sweeping aerodynamic lines, maybe influenced by Bentley's Grand Tourers and limos, in contrast to the classic motorhome's boxy form. Unquestionably distinctive Bentley-style characteristics include the recognizable Flying B logo, the large matrix grille, and the finely detailed bodywork with deep, glossy paint jobs. Its futuristic appeal would be enhanced by advanced lighting technology, potentially using OLED or laser systems, and its sophisticated and commanding attitude would be completed with custom multi-spoke alloy wheels that would allude to turbine designs. It would be a mobile piece of art, and this outward creativity would help to indicate that it was much more than just a vehicle. This car home inside would be the real proof of its status as the most luxurious ride ever built. The best materials available to man would be used to painstakingly construct every surface and feature. Each panel would be embellished with fine metal inlays, highly polished rare wood veneers, perhaps ethically obtained from ancient forests, and hand-stitched sustainable leathers from the most prestigious tanneries. With a gourmet kitchen with top-tier, possibly even custom-made appliances, a lavishly furnished living area with adjustable seating, and a master suite with a custom-designed bed, the layout would be an exercise in palatial comfort and space management. With a walk-in shower and upscale fixtures, the bathroom would compete with one found at a five-star hotel. Its sophisticated residents' every need would be anticipated by the smooth and intuitive technological integration. A cutting-edge infotainment system would have several high-definition screens and cover everything from entertainment and navigation to thorough car diagnostics and smart home automation for climate, lighting, and security control. Cutting-edge noise cancellation equipment would guarantee an almost eerie quiet inside the cabin, adding to the peaceful seclusion from the outside world. Adaptable ambient lighting that might resemble the cycles of natural daylight would improve people's general well-being. Even while performance isn't a motorhome's main goal, it would nevertheless showcase Bentley's engineering skills. Easy cruising would be provided by a potent yet incredibly refined power plant, perhaps a hybridized W12 engine. The suspension and chassis would be fine-tuned to deliver an unmatched ride quality, gracefully navigating over flaws. Additionally, sophisticated autonomous driving features will probably be included, enabling passengers to fully unwind and relish the ride while their car home moves across the world with ease. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome would be more than just a vehicle. It would be a mobile haven, a rolling monument to unmatched luxury, and a glimpse of how the ultra-elite might travel in the future.